Hi, I'm Councilmember Lum Diep. San Jose is a great city to live in, but we need your help to keep it that way. That's why we created the My San Jose app. Did you know that with the My San Jose app, you can
report illegal dumping? All you have to do is download the My San Jose app. It's free on Google Play and the App Store. Fortunately, the My San Jose app has been working so well that I couldn't find any sites of illegal dumping to record near. So here's some photos for example. As you can see, illegal dumping is not only illegal, but it makes the streets look cluttered and unsafe. So here's how you can report it. First, open the My San Jose app, then select New Request. Then select Illegal Dumping. Take a photo of the site and indicate the location and a description, then click Submit. It's important to remember that the My San Jose is not to be used to report emergencies. If you are having or witnessing an emergency, please call 911 or the nearest hospital or police station. Thank you for helping keep the city of San Jose a beautiful and safe place to live.